You say he's cheating, now you're not laughing. Yes, I had told you, he never wanted you. Yes, I had told you, he never needed you. I heard advice of you, but you do wise to do. I went on my bending knee, begging you again, please. Yes, I had told you, he never wanted you. Yes, I had told you, he never needed you. ngaba, kabulao, bainu. Come! I went to Linden Street a Friday night. It was like festival with them fellows there. I see them fellows there gambling, pity paradise and poker. Suddenly this Yankee boy come with a gun. He can't stay to Sergeant Town. Give up your money now. That's what I say. What? I'll be coaching from Belize. The sergeant give it up in one piece, along with the ID of BDN. The sergeant give it up in one piece. I can't believe a soldier from Belize. No man giving up so easy in this States. All I heard them say was, hey! Way Ben, no 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 way Ben. That's what they say. Just on that night, a Friday night, as usual, I had to go. Sergeant Indes on a vacation, he called me MightyK. I had to go. I couldn't say no. I had to go. Let's go down on Linden Street and take them boys. Let's go down on Linden Street and drink some beer. I didn't know a gunman was there. How you mean? I have to hang with the police, them from Belize, you know. Soldier, BDF, they're tough. Could speak Garifuna like a Friday night. I couldn't say a Creole word, but what they say was Garifuna. All they say was don't pay them, 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 don't pay them. That's what they say. Deep in the place.